So we all know about the social distancing, about cleaning of the hands. We all know about all of the protocols that need to take place. But here's the question. When you're riding a motorcycle, more importantly, when you're riding in a group with a bunch of other motorcycle riders, there are some things you need to keep in mind. So what I did was, I got a hold of an RCMP officer. His name is Constable Firmston. And I asked him the questions about, okay, we're in a pandemic. We're riding in groups. What do we need to know as motorcycle riders?
Treat it just like any other time. When you're riding your motorcycle, ride in a staggered stance. One on the right, one on the left. Just stretch it out a little farther. When you get into a meeting place, respect the social distancing, follow the rules that has been provided to you by the place you're staying. And if you want, wear a face mask. It's totally up to you. P.S. You could always just keep your helmet on.